All right, guys, we're back for part 2 of the 5 things that beginning typers need to know. We're on part 2, capitals.
It's a quick technology tip.
All right, number 2 is capitals. So we're talking about capital letters. So this means that you have to use the shift key. You hold down shift and then you press the letter. This is a capitalized word. So see how I did that? All capitals. Now I see students will do this. They will put a word with all capitals, but we don't type in all capitals. We only do the beginning of the sentence or proper nouns, which are like names. The name Mr. Svec would be capitalized at the beginning, M and S, but the rest of the letters are lowercase. So you hold down shift and you make a capital letter at the beginning of your sentences, and we're not typing in all lowercase. You want to have that first one at the beginning of your sentence capitalized. And I really encourage you to look at books or things online and see where writers are capitalizing things. Soon you will figure out how to become a master at it.
It's a quick technology tip.